time. What do you got? You got ice pops?
Yes. We can go up, up, up.
What color is it?
Purple.
Emma, what color is yours?
Purple.
What kind of day is it today?
Sunny.
It's sunny?
Yeah.
It's not sunny, it's cloudy.
Sunny.
And it's gloomy. Let me see.
Gloomy.
Let me see your gloomy face. Very good. No. The first face was better. Where is it? Oh, there it is. That's gloomy. Let me see your gloomy face. That's not gloomy. That's happy face. That's a happy I have an ice pop face. How about your excited face? Excited face. How about sad face? Oh, everybody's so sad. Is that funny?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy? That looks like a happy face. Are you Superman? Who's the coolest kid ever?
Me.
Who's the prettiest?
Me.